So hi students, today we are going to discuss about the worksheet 2.5. Coming to the worksheet 2.5, all of you open your application books and worksheet 2.5. Here we are going to discuss about A Roman. In A Roman, first sum I am going to explain. Here A Roman is fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks with correct answers. Here first blank is 5 crores is equal to dash lakhs are there. How many lakhs are there in 5 crores? So first we have to write the 5 crores here. 5 crores means 5 in crores place, and in lakhs period 2 zeros will be there, and in thousands period 2 zeros, and ones period 3 zeros will be there. Here you have to write that, and then you have to write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Here what is the question? How many lakhs are there? How many lakhs? Up to lakhs you have to cut this number. So 500 lakhs are there in 5 crores. So like that you have to write the answer. Okay. So this is the answer. You have to follow this model. And in 1 crore how many 10 lakhs are there? Up to 10 lakhs you have to cut up to 10 lakhs here. In second blank 1 crore is equal to how many? 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs place you have to. I will explain that also. Also second one is 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakhs. So here what you have to write? First 1 crore you have to write. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. See here up to 10 lakhs. How many 10 lakhs are there? Means up to 10 lakhs you have to cut it here. So 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs are there in 1 crore. This is the answer. Understood? So like that you have to complete the remaining. Try to complete the remaining 6 are there here. 2 I explained here. Remaining sums you have to complete with your own. Okay. Now I am going to explain the B Roman. So now coming to the B Roman, complete the following table. Here one table is given. We have to complete the table. First what is the table? First is number is given, and number after we have to put commas according to the Indian system first. Then second is place value of the highlighted digit. Here what is the highlighted digit? 6 is highlighted. So highlighted means here it is some bold, like bold. Okay. So we have to write the place value of that 6 here. So next international system, we have to put commas according to international system. Again you have to write the place value of 6 in international system. So what are the 4 blanks are given here? 4 blocks here you have to complete. So first you have to write that number, and you have to put according to the Indian system, put commas according to the Indian system. Then write the place value of the highlighted number with the Indian system. Next we have to put commas according to the international system, and again you have to write the place value of that number in international system. Understood? So now already first sum is explained there only. I am going to explain the second one here. So this is the number is given. In this number what is the highlighted number? Highlighted digit is there. Here 4 is highlighted like this. So for this 4 place value you have to write. First what we have to write first? First you have to write the number again. Then you have to put commas according to the Indian system. So copy this number again here. Here ones period after comma, thousands period after comma, lakhs period after comma, it is crores period. Here we have to write the place value of 4. What is the place value of 4 according to the Indian system? 4 in thousands place, we have to write that as 4,000. Then we have to put commas according to international system. What is the how we have to write the international system? Again you have to copy that number. Here ones period after comma, thousands period 3 will be there, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 after comma, it is millions period, 38,174,368. In this also we have to write the place value of 4 again according to the international. What is the place value of 4 here? 4 in thousands place, again you can write here 4,000. Like this you have to write the table. Understood? Like this only you have to complete the remaining also. There are 4 is given. One explained in the textbook, in your application book only. Second one I explained here, and third and fourth one you have to try to complete. Understood? Now I am going to explain the C Roman here. So in C Roman, compare the given Roman numerals and fill the blanks with the correct sign, greater than or less than. So here first we have to find the value of that Roman number. Okay, we have to convert that Roman number into Hindu Arabic number. In your mind you have to do that, and you have to put greater than symbol or less than symbol there. Okay, first one I am going to explain here. What is the first one? XXV dash XX is given there. So for this we are going to put the symbol here. So before that you have to convert this Roman number as Hindu Arabic. Here XXV means X means 10, again 10, here 5, 10, 10, 5 means 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. So you have to write 25 here, otherwise you can keep in your mind. Here 10 plus 10, 20. So which is greater than 25 is greater than or less than? Greater than. So put greater than symbol in that place. Understood? In that blank you have to complete. Like that you have to do. Understood? Now I am going to explain the third one here. In that Roman only third one, here C, C and C, D are given. So C means 100, we know that. So C means 200. So 200 is the answer for 200 cc. So here CD means C before C is before D. So D value is greater value, C value is smaller value. When you keep the small symbol before the greater symbol means what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. D minus C we have to do. D means 500 minus 100, it will become 400. 500 minus 100, it will become 400. 200 is less than 400, we have to put less than symbol this. Like that you have to complete the 2 and 4. 1 and 3 I explained here. 2 and 4 you have to complete with your own. First you have to complete this, then you have to do the remaining one. Now I am going to explain the D Roman here. Here in the D Roman, solve the following and write the answers using Hindu Arabic number. Here Roman numbers, again Roman numbers are given. So you have to convert the Roman numbers into Hindu Arabic numbers, then you have to add those, then we will get the answer. Okay, that answer must be in Hindu Arabic numeral. Here given, here in the question Roman numbers are given, we have to convert that into Hindu Arabic number, then we have to find the answer in Hindu Arabic numbers only. Okay, first I am going to explain first one here. So here this is the number is given. So first convert this. So ix means in a small symbol which is placed in between two greater symbols means what we have to do? This small symbol must be subtracted from the right side of the greater symbol. Right side greater symbol. This right side greater symbol is in subtraction. So here we should not add this 1 to this x. Okay. So x 20, here it will become ix means 9. 29. You have to write the 29 here, plus you have to put plus here. Here vi means 6. Put is equal to again here, say 29 plus 6, what is the number? 35. So 35 will be the answer. Understood? Like this you have to convert these numbers into Hindu Arabic, then we have to add and find the final answer. Okay. So now I am going to explain the third one here. So here but first one is MCI. So M after C, C is smaller, I is smaller than C. So what we have to do here? M, 1000. M means 1000, C means 100, I means 1. 1101. 1101. Tens place is not given, you have to put 0 in tens place. 1101 means like that you have to write. Minus CCL. C means 100, C means 100, 200, 200 plus 50, 250. 250. We have to subtract this here. So 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 5. Here 0 will be there. Here also 10 minus 2, 8. Here no number is there. 851 is the answer. Like that you have to do the remaining 2 and 4 sums in this D Roman. Okay. Like this you have to complete this worksheet 2.5. Okay.